Hi, my name is Lucas Falco Cohen. I am a director of photography based out of Kansas City, Missouri. I had a 3-week stretch where there were 6 shoots that we shot exclusively on the Alexa Mini LF with signature primes. All 6 of the shoots centralized around Major League Soccer. We had everything from docu-style player profile projects to high-end commercials promoting the new season. With so many shoots happening in such a short period of time, I wanted a camera package and a lens package that could work on everything from the docu run and gun style shoots all the way through in the high-end commercial shoots. The Alexa Mini LF and signature primes are definitely more known in the commercial and feature world, but with my dual background in commercial and doc work, I was able to utilize the cinematic nature of the combo and elevate the more run and gun doc work to show off even more power that the camera holds. I knew that sometimes we'd be in scenarios where we were going to be in small dorm rooms, small locker rooms, small cramped spaces, so I wanted to find a way that we could get as much space out of these small spaces as possible. The massive field of view of large format gave me the flexibility to utilize the smaller spaces. The incredibly shallow depth of field helped me draw the viewer's eye exactly where I wanted it to go. And I also wanted to do justice to the color palettes of the teams, so a camera with great color science was a necessity. The Alexa Mini LF was an obvious choice. I felt like the other lenses that I looked at didn't give me that natural, immersive look I was going for until I got it to color grading, whereas the signature primes gave me the look I wanted instantly in camera, and then when it went to color grading, just took everything over the top. I love it when the viewer feels like they're experiencing a video as opposed to just watching it. So the natural skin tones and the smooth fall off that the signature primes brought really honed in the look that I was looking for. I can be looking in the viewfinder or monitor and see the image, and then I can take it away and look at it with my naked eye, and it's the same thing. And that is very important to me because, again, I want people to experience these videos as opposed to watch these videos. Shooting large format really helps you not have to sacrifice creativity just because of a location. Especially in docu-style shoots, locations obviously aren't always choosable, so being able to show up on set and have your full playbook is really a game changer. I love shooting with long lenses, and using the large format really opens up the possibilities of what I can do with the longer lenses. When we're in these small scenarios where these little 8x8 rooms, I can stand out in the hallway, put on a 75mm, be 10 to 12 feet away, and still get the wide shot that I want. The close focus mixed with the large format allowed me to contrast the compressed wide shots with super close-ups that drew out emotion and further immersed the viewer. But what really sets gear apart for me is how it handles things that you cannot control. I don't like wasting time messing with filters or having to unload a grip truck of lights to get the look I'm going for. So being able to utilize existing light and adding my flair to any given scenario gives me the extra time to focus on framing, focal length, camera moves, and the story within the frame. It also gives me time to grab extra shots, which in turn gives the editor more footage to work with, which makes the overall production that much better. So I'm a very non-traditional shooter in the sense that I do not like to use handle grips. I like to be in any position and as versatile as possible, and stuff like that just gets in the way for me. So for the Mini LF and Signature Prime combo to be so lightweight, I can really sling the camera around and get it in whatever position I need to as quickly as possible. Especially in the sports world, being there in the moment is critical. Being there as it happens in real time to collect the real emotion is really the look that I'm going for. And at the same time, I can have the amazing cinematic look that the Mini LF and the Signature Prime bring to the table. Really sets these projects apart from anything within this space. At the end of the day, it is just gear. There's a ton of work that comes in from the cinematography and crew side of things. But working with the Alexa Mini LF and Signature Primes, I really think took these projects to the next level.